What's going on, everybody? Everything Credit here. So I just wanted to make a quick video to go over one-time payments for credit repair and just let you all know that they are 100% illegal. I don't care which state you are operating out of. One-time payments are illegal. If you'll just read the description of the video, I will go over all that for you. You can also look it up. And one of the main reasons one-time fees are illegal and the FTC does not play about one-time fees is because if a client signs up with you and pays you $5,000, why would they quit if they're not happy with their services? Because you're not going to refund them their money. That's obvious with most of these companies. I'm not calling any names. Versus paying monthly, if you're unhappy with the services, or if the services are done in 30, 60, 90, 120 days, you don't have to pay more than what you should have had to pay for those services. So if you pay a company $5,000 and they wipe your credit clean doing a credit sweep, it's all going to go right back on your report anyway. So you're going to wind up going to a company that does it the correct way, which is by charging you a processing fee and then a monthly reoccurring fee. So you got to be careful working with these companies, and they're just trying to get rich. Most of these companies, once you pay them, you never hear from them again. They may send out 1 or 2 rounds of disputes just to say they've done some type of work. But again, if a company paid somebody $5,000, they're not going to leave them alone until everything's absolutely gone. Whereas if you're paying monthly, you're not happy, or the services are done, you don't know them, they don't know you, everything's good to go. So if you know any companies that are charging one-time fees or even advertising one-time fees on their website, just reach out to the FTC and let them know, because these companies are not supposed to be doing credit repair for one-time fees. They're just trying to get rich off of you, and I don't like that. If you have any questions about the video, leave them in the comments. You can send me a text message. Hope y'all have a great day.